So it has been very memorable to be invited as an associate editor amongst the PCC board. It was really an honor to receive this invitation and actually work on PCCP from the other side, which has been my favorite journal. And something very personal was also very memorable was to actually being elected as the chair and to really contribute and keep on contributing in making PCCP better. For the next 25 years, I think there are many fields are very emerging. I think the strength with PCCP lies in that we are very broad and are very visible. So I think what we should do is remain attractive and really keep these new fields and invite them in. And in that way we can actually prepare for the future.
The Royal Society of Chemistry's team in India plays a vital role in strengthening connections between researchers, educators and industry across the region. Through their work in events, partnerships and community engagement, they promote collaboration, inclusion and scientific excellence. Their efforts support members and authors locally while contributing to a truly global chemistry community.
The more close interaction or collaboration between the Royal Society of Chemistry, which is publishing PCCP for the RC board, it's good to have a more close collaboration or some other way of engagement with Indian Institute of Science, so that we have more such theme event like this PCCP symposium is happening. And so going forward, I would like to see, I'd like to ask rsc also to engage with Indian Institute of Science in more constructive way or more collaborative way.
Okay, so one of the remarkable things about PCCP, of course, is that it's actually a journal that's owned by a bunch of learned societies. So it's quite different from many of the types of journals that we have that are either commercially based or based around one particular society. So I think it's kind of has a uniqueness to that also means that it's got quite a broad way of thinking about how it approaches what it wants to publish and how it wants to publish it, which I think is fairly unique in some respects. And of course it has a wonderful spread where it both looks at physical chemistry and also at chemical physics in a rather nice way that encompasses things all the way from biological physical chemistry and biophysics, if you like, right the way through to pretty, I think, really quite cutting edge computational chemistry and indeed theoretical chemistry, sort of bleeding into those new types of ideas.
Hello everyone. I would like to share my experience having published with PCCP and reading and referring to this journal. Over the last few years, it has been great to read this journal because it covers a lot of topics ranging from different experimental areas to theoretical studies to simulation studies. So my first paper was published in PCCP in 2013 when I wrote a review article with my PhD supervisor, and it has been highly cited. And so far it has been a great experience. After becoming faculty, my first single author paper was also published in PCCP, and it has also been well cited. So I have enjoyed reading and seeing evolution of PCCP into a very scientifically very varied journal where all the different interdisciplinary areas are being published. And I would continue to read and publish in PCCP because I think it is doing a great job in presenting and communicating the scientific works of different areas, interdisciplinary areas of physical chemistry, physics, and even biology. So I would like to wish success to this journal in the upcoming 25 years, and I see emerging areas also getting published in this journal.